What is going on, guys? Today we got Chainlink, we got the price prediction. We're just gonna be diving right into it. Before we dive right into it, I do just want to say if you want free shit, click the links below. Don't forget to like and sub. And now let's dive into it. So, Chainlink, right here. We'll just start off again, same thing that we do all the time. So first off, let's go to TradingView. It's much better. And then let's go to the 1 week here. And then from there we can see, okay, so since January of 2019, stayed pretty consistent, right around 40 cents, right? And then it obviously slowly started making an uptrend. So it's not like a bunch of the other cryptos that we've looked at where it was just basically flat until the most recent bull market where it just shot up. This one obviously did shoot up, but it wasn't from its 44 cent or right around here at its 30 cent point to its $53 point, right? So it was right around here staying consistent. It was right around the right around the $4 area. And then it ended up popping up. So Chainlink, obviously we can go here. And we can go to the max supply, right? We can see it's a billion, total supply a billion, circulating supply 444 million. So that means, right, the supply is starting to come out. People have known about that for a while, so it's not going to have too drastic of an effect. Right now, honestly, even just looking at the charts, this is one that I would actually be very bullish on in the long term, right? But again, we don't know 100% that until we start looking further into the company. So, right, honestly, a great buying point would have been right around here in that $15 mark, especially giving it to that 52, right? That's a really great price target, especially considering where it came. But let's go over here, and I do want to disclose I do own some Chainlink. Not too much, but I just always want to disclose that to you guys. So as we're looking here, right, connect your smart contract to the outside world. So Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network provides reliable, tamper-proof inputs and outputs for smart contracts. So basically, what does this mean, right? So right here you can see start building universally connected smart contract, right? So you got the timestamp. Basically, we'll just let it show you guys exactly what's going on. So it's coding, right? This is what I ended up learning. This looks a lot like Java, so I'm guessing that's what they're using here. But basically, all it is it's highly secure and flexible infrastructure, blah blah blah, tamper-proof network, seamless connection, proven time-tested solution, transparent. You know all that. What well, we didn't, but what is Chainlink, right? The capabilities of small contracts, access to real-world data and off-chain computation, the security and guarantees inherent to blockchain technology. So yeah, right. So basically, the whole point of that, what it was saying is that basically all it is, you send over your data to them, right? They basically put it into their program, right? And then they basically outlie what they ended up getting and then putting it into contract form. So, um, solutions, right? You got overviews, developers. We can see all of that, the ecosystem. So I guess they do pay attention on like Bitcoin to basically how much power they take. But get involved, right? They have grant programs. If I'm not mistaken, Chainlink is the one that pays you. I'm not 100% if it's Chainlink. I remember my buddy telling me about it, but there is a crypto. I think it's Chainlink that basically they have tasks that you can then, from that point on, basically get money for if you end up solving those tasks. But right, just looking at their website, it looks pretty transparent. It looks pretty open, and I can even go right here and I can press start building. So why am I building, right? Well, they have it in docs form, right? Get price feeds, generate verifiable random numbers or APIs, right? So I'm like, okay, let's see here. What do I want? You know what? I want to learn more about price feeds. That would be more important to me. Chainlink price feeds are the quickest way to connect your small contracts to the real-world market prices of assets. They enable small contracts to retrieve the latest price of an asset in a single call. Often need to act upon prices of assets in real time. So, for example, if I want to go in and be like, hey, like there's this house, I'd put, let's say, 235,000, and I want to get all that info on that. I basically take this, right? So, do I think Chainlink is good? Yes. Do I think it's great? No. But what does this have to do now that when we go back over to the chart? Well, basically just giving off that information that it has, and its main focus is getting to that real world use. Do I think it has good potential? Yes, I do. Do I think it has a lot of growth left? I'm gonna be a little bit skeptical, right? It's a good concept. It's not great, right? There are great coins out there. This is not one of them. So, considering how high it got previously, I think that in the next bull run, it can get to around the 70-80 range, which again is not bad. Is it great? No, it's really not. Especially it's at 22. Let's just say it goes down to 20. You buy. It goes up to 80, right? That's a 4x. That's a pretty good return, but we've already had some that are 5 to 6. We even had a 10x already. So we're just like, again, this isn't one that I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna put all my eggs in this. No, right? Again, I want to disclose I have a little bit of Chainlink, mainly because I bought it so long ago, and I'm just, my whole thing is I really don't sell, right? I'm just like, it is what it is. The only thing I've sold, and this was just because it was a depreciating asset, was Doge. I sold that pretty high, and I made most of my money from that. But yeah, so Chainlink, you got, well, I just said it, $80. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, sub, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.